How to check calories and nutrition for Chick-fil-A menu items. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chick-fil-A's website. Here, click on Menu at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on Menu at the top left corner of your screen, you'll find all these options. Simply select the one you prefer. Scroll down and you'll find all the menus. You can simply click on what you want. After you've clicked on it, you can scroll down and you will find its ingredients, and here you can find your calories, and if you scroll down you'll find the nutrition value of it as well. In this way you can scroll through it and see all the nutrition. And this is how to check calories and nutrition for Chick-fil-A menu items. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.